guys, welcome to MarineMax here in Clearwater. Today I'm showing you a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. It's a fresh arrival, just got here off the truck. Come check it out. You notice up here at the bow we're going to have a very nice cooler with a cushion and backrest with rod holders. It's going to make for a very good ride for cruising out to your fishing spot. We're going to have dedicated anchor storage as well as a big fish box which can also be used as a cooler as well. Plenty of space here in the console for all your life jackets and safety equipment. Very big live well here, plenty of room for all your whitebait, shrimp, and pinfish. This one does already have the seating in the back. If you notice up at the helm, it's already equipped with the Marine and an AM/FM radio with Bluetooth. 15 Mercury 4-stroke here. It's a very powerful motor, but it's very quiet at the same time. Also a very nice swim ladder here.